What's up, traders? Jay Trades from over at Twitch TV. Hey, I wanted to talk to you about something we have going on over the free live stream over on Twitch. We have a small account challenge going down right now. We've just completed the first 3 days of the challenge. I wanted to make this video a little bit sooner, but I hadn't had the chance to get around to it. So for those of you that are familiar with the stream or familiar with some of my videos, you do know that I trade with Tradenet. I've been with Tradenet for many years now, so I do have a rather large account with a substantial amount of buying power. A lot of the guys on stream are new traders. They've purchased the intro account or the student account over at Tradenet, and they said, "Hey Jay, why don't you try to do some type of small account challenge? With a smaller account where you don't have as much buying power, might be a little more relatable." So the guys were really interested in it, and I said, "Hey, let's give it a shot. Let's see if we can run one up." So I purchased the student account over at Tradenet. If you're not familiar with Tradenet, I have a video that I made that you can watch, and it kind of gives you the ins and outs of Tradenet and how it works. Basically, this one deal that we're working with the small account challenge is one of their smaller accounts. That's why we're calling it the small account challenge. It's the one that I purchased, and the one that I'm using in the small account challenge is actually the account that I recommend new traders start out with. It's the student account. Now, student account is $3,000 to purchase. You get educational courses with it as well. You get a demo account, and then you get a live trading account also. You have $80,000 in buying power, and you have a $4,000 drawdown. With my affiliate link down below, you can get that package for $2,700 if you're interested. So that's the package that I went with, and we're going to try to run that up. It's going to last 3 months. We're going to do this small account challenge over a 3-month pan and see what we can do with it. So if you are interested, the link's down below. Head on over to Twitch TV, hit the follow button. It's a free live stream. We stream Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. every single day. You can hang out and chat, talk with all the guys in chat, and you can keep track of the challenge if you're interested. So I'm going to, like I said, we already started it. We did 3 days of it. We started middle of the week last week, and we finished the week up roughly, I want to say $75, somewhere around there. I'm actually extremely happy. I can say that I know I traded like shit the first week of this challenge. Okay, I did not trade well, and it was an up and down week. Thankful that I came out in the green, barely. But yeah, man, guys, if you want to come join, come hang out. Again, I'm not some guru out here selling you courses. I have nothing to sell. There's no trading courses for $1,000 or anything like that. The chat's free. Everyone hangs out in there every day. It's just me. I'm a trader just like you guys. I've been doing it a little bit longer, so I've been around the block. I've been trading for a little over 8 years now, so I do have some experience, and I have had some success. But there's nothing else going on with it. I'm no guru. I don't have any courses to sell you. I'm not a teacher. You guys can just watch me trade live on stream to see what it's like. Life of a day trader. I trade with a live P&L, so you can see all of my entries, all of my exits, and So I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the computer here behind me, and we're going to go over some of the trades we made last week. Like I said, we had 3 days that we traded. So we'll go ahead and hop on the computer, just kind of give you a quick rundown of some of the trades we made. Again, it was an up and down week. I'm not proud of the way I traded by any means. I'm proud of how I hung in. I started off many days with some FOMO. Jumped in some trades too early. I had to battle back, started out down a couple days, $800, $1,000. We battled back and turned the week green on Friday, thankfully. So head on over to Twitch if you're interested. Hit the follow button; it's free of charge, and come hang out with us. Let's jump on the computer though and check out some of these trades. All right, guys. So now we're over here on the computer. Wanted to show you a quick way that you can find the stream, how to maneuver around Twitch TV. You can either click the link down below in the video and it'll take you to the stream, or you can head over to Twitch TV. You can go up in this search bar here, type in J Trades, and then you'll see we're going to be this channel right up here. Click on that, and then you will be able to, you can hit the follow button here, and this will get you notified, turn your notifications on, Get you notified when we go live. We do stream live every day, Monday through Friday. Hit this follow button, free of charge. Come hang out and check out the small account challenge and see how it's going. This is going to be our channel. We have an about me, our schedule, videos from previous streams, and then our chat. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into some of these highlights from last week and just kind of give it a quick rundown on the week. Looks like this would be the first one. So there you see here, we've already jumped into CAKE short. Average is going to be, you can see everything here, our average is going to be 23.34. We have 500 shares, and here's our updated P&L, unrealized gains and realized gains. So we are actually we were buying a long here on CAKE. Sorry, this was like 3 days ago. I don't remember exactly with all the trades this week. We were buying at the support level here off of this pullback on CAKE. Looks like it's moving in our direction for now. I don't want to bore you guys with this trade. Let's see if we can fast forward a little bit. Alright, so it looks like we took some off. We got 200 left. We had a total of 500 shares. We've made $179 so far. We have $58 still left unrealized. And I believe we take this off here pretty quickly. There we go. Alright, so first trade of the small account challenge was phenomenal. We were up a couple $100, and then we run into a buzzsaw with work. Work was my arch nemesis this week. I think I got a little overly stubborn with work. It got me pretty good on a squeeze here. I'm shorting work. We had this big pullback, and then I was shorting at this prior resistance level, looking for a pullback down to the support line, right around VWAP. And I got very stubborn with it. Should have taken it off, and we got squeezed. This is going to be the Tradenet platform now. You see here, I do kind of go back and forth. I was taught to trade on Thinkorswim over at Tradenet, so I do all my charting on Thinkorswim platform. That's where you're going to see both platforms. You'll see Thinkorswim for my charting. I base all my trades off of Thinkorswim, but all my trades are executed here through Tradenet, which is the platform you're looking at now. So if you see it going back and forth, that's going to be why. You'll see both platforms. So the trade started out nice. It was working out for us. I thought we were going to get a nice pullback and have a great start to this this day for our small account challenge. Now we're back over here at the Thinkorswim platform. Work's kind of grinding on us, not giving us the big pullback that we want. And you'll see here that it's going to break over and we should cover, and we do not. Instead we add, and let's see if we can't speed this up or not. All right, so now we have 1,000 shares here, 39.10 average. And now we have 1,500 shares, 39.13 average. So we're building up. See, we're up $140 on it here. Just didn't quite get the pullback to VWAP that we were looking for. This thing's going to turn on us before too long. Let's fast forward this a little more. Get to the interesting part. So now we're down $190 on this trade. This is where it starts to squeeze up on us, trap some shorts. Eventually we'll end up taking this off for a loss. And me personally, if you follow the stream or if you don't, I prefer my best trades come when I'm in and out of trades. I'm more of a scalper. I don't like holding positions. And when I'm in trades this long, it typically, I can honestly say that it usually does not work out for me. I should have known better. I should have taken this trade off. Instead, we didn't. We let it go against us. You see here, it regained this level that we were shorting at. Broke through there with a nice green closure candle. We should have been out. It's giving us a little hope here, but it won't last for long. Let's see. That's cake. It's not work. We're still in the work trade. And we're up again there. Still didn't take it off. Looking for the home run play. The home run plays come, man. When you're trading well, the home run plays just come. When you sit around and try and make it happen, that's usually when you get burned on them. Let's see. All right, we got out of it there. Let's try to backtrack just a smidgen here. All right, so we're down 160 on it as of now. Can't find where we get out of this trade. Definitely did not look happy here. So you can see up here, this is the live stream. This is me down here, just kind of talking you through the trades. Come on. Man, I held on to this trade a lot longer than I even realized. Now we're down 250 on it. And I know in my head that we should be getting out of this trade. But I'm being stubborn, waiting for the big trade. Down 325 on it now. We've turned our good morning, our green morning red. Now we're down $520. There's no reason to be in this trade. Once this level breaks, we should be out. Instead, we hold it and stay stubborn. Now, down 520 bucks on the trade, down $266 on the day. And once it breaks through that resistance level, it's gonna grind that level and start to use that level as support and really just take us for a ride. It gives us an opportunity here to get out. We can get out with minimal damage, and we didn't take it. Wanted the home run. Now it's grinding right back on us.
This is not forever. Folks changing like the weather. Cold wind and all around.
Man, I've stayed in this trade so long. I hate being in trades this long. Alright, so now we only have 500 shares left, so we took some off. We're down $425 on the day with still $35 unrealized. And let's see. We get out of this trade here pretty soon. Yep, and then so we're out of it. So we were up around $220 or $30, so we took a little more than a $600 hit on this. That was not a good way to end the morning. That's pretty much going to wrap up the morning session. Not happy with the way we traded that at all. Let's see if we can go and find another. Check out what we got going on this one. This is another highlighted day. Here's a little fun thing we do on stream as well. We have some good trades. This was the following day. We're up 300 bucks. Play a song that is real catchy with the stream that everybody likes. Get the lights flashing. Everybody gets pretty hype on stream. It's a good time, man. The stream's fun. I know trading is serious, but we do try to keep it fun, man, because if you can't have fun at your job, then what's the point? Oh, and we just had an alien in our chat. But yeah, so we're having a little fun here. We turned a red day on Tuesday. We were down almost $1,000. Turned it into a positive day, so we're having a little fun on stream. The aliens have been a thing with the stream, so we kind of stuck with it. But like I said, we try to have a little fun, man. It's definitely a serious matter, but if you can't have a little fun with it, then what are you doing it for, right? So we finished that Tuesday up $300, 331 bucks, 341 bucks. We're still in TD Ameritrade here at close. We have 500 shares here, 44.87 average, up 40 bucks right into close. So that ended. So we ended the day up a little over 300 bucks. And let's see, what's the last one? Let's go with yesterday, Friday. See how Friday's action panned out. So we jump right when we jump into it. We're shorting CCL. In for 1,000 shares here. We're long CCL. My apologies. 21.88 average. And I believe we're going to take a hit right out the gate again. Like I said, this week was up and down. We had some FOMO trades. Jumped in some trades way too early and had to fight from behind most days this week, which is not fun to do. Okay, we're down 360 bucks. How does this trade end up? All right. Already jumped into another trade here. I believe another losing trade. All right, so it looks like we lost about $350 on the CCL trade. Now we're short MGM for 1,000 shares at 22.64. Trying to play the breakdown on MGM. That one's going to take us for a ride too. We have 1,500 shares now at 22.68 short. Down $330 at this point on the MGM short. Approaching a little VWAP resistance here. Down 680. So at this point, you can see we're down $1,045 so far on the day. Not the ideal way to start our Friday, that's for sure. I think this is when we had Trump. Trump was speaking here coming up, so that bailed us out a little bit on this short. It pulled back to us, so we got saved on it. Liking this breakdown here. We had this little wedge here, and it broke down. Made me feel a little bit better about this this short that we had on, although our entry was awful. Average was awful. Like I said, it was some FOMO trading going on this week. I don't know if it was due to the fact that we were starting this new challenge or what, but definitely was not happy with the way we traded this week. Yeah, so here's Trump. Trump's on. Market's pulling back a little bit while Trump's talking. So it definitely helped us out on this trade. And then we took it off. We actually ended up making money on it, believe it or not. So I think we made like maybe 40 bucks on it. Somewhere around there. And we're out of it, so we're down 370. So yeah, we made a little bit of money on it, thankfully. We ended up turning the day around. Let's see, we're in FOUR here. This was a new IPO that came out. We made a little bit of money on that for the 35 push. We had a 34 average, and this thing pushed up to $35. I remember that pretty clearly. I remember that trade. Excuse me. We made some money on that. Now we're battling work again here. 1,000 shares short on work. 33.34 average. Let's see. 1,250 shares now. Trying to scale into this thing. 1,500 shares now. Down 220 bucks on the trade. Now we're green on the trade. Looks like we've already scaled out at this point. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to do a quick rundown. I don't want to bore you watching these this stock grind back and forth. But you kind of get the idea. You can watch it all live if you come hang out on stream. So we took 1,000 shares off. We have 500 left on it. And looks like about 60 bucks unrealized so far. And where are we at? Still holding 200 shares, up 100 bucks on the day, and being down almost a little over $1,000 at one point. This was very welcoming. out of that trade there. There you go. You get to see the emotions. That's another part of the stream, guys. You get the raw emotion, man. I'm a trader. When I make money, I'm extremely happy. I'm normal, just like any of you guys, man. When I lose, I get pissed, and you get to see all that raw emotion live on stream. So let's see here. We had a few more trades. We ended up having a pretty decent day. Back in work again. Another short. Work owed me some money, man. It got us good in the beginning of the week, so I was definitely trying to get my money back from it. And then we got 1,000 shares short. We're up 250 now on the day. Nice pullback here. Again, guys, we're replaying all these trades on stream. I try to give you my thought process while the trades are going down. I don't want to sit through all of these trades and do my process for 3 days. I'm just trying to give you a quick rundown of what we had going on with the start of this small account challenge. So here we are, up $374 now on the day. Still watching work there. It looks like we might still be in a work position. That was another thing we did this week as well, man. I acknowledge when I'm trading bad, and I acknowledge that I traded bad this week. I also acknowledge that I over traded. I typically only take, anywhere from 5 to 10 trades a day is a lot for me. And this week, man, I traded so much, way more than I should have been. Here you see we're up $424. See, I don't believe we took any more trades after that. Yeah, that looks like that was going to be the last step. But if you look up here, we keep a ticker of where we stand on the week. So our current week, we were down $345. And if you look at the total P&L for that day, Friday, we were up $424. So we're looking at roughly, $77, 80 bucks, somewhere around there. So we finished the week in the green, barely. And like I said, man, I was extremely grateful to finish the week up green, as it was a battle, and we traded poorly, man. So excited to get back at it next week. Guys, more than welcome to come hang out again. It's a free live stream. We're doing a small account challenge. It's going to be a 3-month challenge. We're going to see if we can spin it up, make some money on the small account challenge. So again, check the links below. The link below will be to the live stream. You can check out the Tradenet affiliate link if you're interested in purchasing a Tradenet package. And look forward to seeing you guys, man. Take care.